Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, I'm gonna do the rear brakes, change the rear brake pads on the 2008 Toyota Avalon. This is the tools that you need. I have an extension, I have some brake cleaner. You're gonna need a 14mm, a ratchet and 14mm socket. You're gonna need a 17mm. You will need this tool right there to separate the pistons. I have me an impact gun, and it's a 21mm to take off those lug nuts. You're gonna need a jack and a jack stand. Let's get down to business. Take all these sockets off. I'm gonna loosen it, and then jack it up and take it off. Oh, can't forget, I'm gonna be using Duralast Elite. You could get these online, get them at AutoZone, and it's lifetime warranty. So you could just take them back, keep the box, take them back, and get fresh new ones when they burn out. When they go low, you could take them back and get a fresh new batch, basically, because they're lifetime warranty at AutoZone. So already jack up the car. These bolts is already loose. Alright, wheel is off. Right here. This is where the 17mm comes in. If you try to take it off and this twisting, spinning with it, you're gonna need to put the 17 right there, just like so. Hold it. You know, I'm holding the camera, so I'm not gonna even get to show a good example, where it's gonna be just like this. Hold it just like that tight, and then use the 14mm to connect right there and bust it loose. So got it. All right, so take it off. It is. Take out the caliper. Alright. Now if it's your first time, guys, just pay attention by, you know, when you open up the box, just match it up. So say that this one is just like so, just match it. See how it is? Look at the both of them, they match the same way. Just match it up the same way. So this one right here, they done. It was thin enough. I'm still happy that it wasn't metal to metal. So put that on the floor. I'm gonna get me some brake cleaner. Spray away all that dirt, that debris. You don't really need to. You really don't need to change this. If it's in good condition, you really don't need to change it. All you need to do is basically use the lube to lube up the brake pads and just fit it back in. Where's my lube at? This came in the box, so I had extras because I didn't use off all the last one that I had, so I had extra. So I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put the lube. Alright, so basically put the lube here, top right there at the bottom. Alright, and this one is easier than the front. Trust me, the front be giving me a lot of trouble, but the one in the rear is mad easy to install. So there we go. If anything, you can put some of the lube right here. I mean, you don't really have to. Some people do. Just put it right there, you know. And one important message once again, when you finish changing your brakes, make sure to go inside the car. Don't start it up, don't turn it on, step on the brake, pump the brake the brake pedal a few times until it gets hard. So this is basically going to push out towards the brakes to give you brakes. If you don't do that, you are not going to have no brakes. So make sure you do that. All right, so the other one is right here. This one wasn't too bad, you know. Make sure you match it. This one is literally just like this, so you match it up. You spray some brake cleaner. All that dust and debris, you know. Alright, so brake cleaner there. Alright, so as I said, match it up. Make sure it's matched, you feel me? And this is easier than the one in the front, so it's no big deal. No big deal to install. Hopefully you guys get that look. Easy to install. And next, I am going to push in that piston by the tool right here. I could use one of the old brake pads, one of these down here, put it there and then twist it in. All right, once you get it in, you just twist until the piston go all the way in. Without that, it's not going to drop down, so just make sure, you know. It's going to push the piston all the way in. And this is the driver side, guys. This is the driver side. Alright, that should be good. As you can see, this pushed all the way down. Since that's pushed all the way down, you can drop it low now. There we go. And one more thing that I explain, sometimes it do that sometime. Alright, see right here it's blocking. This bolt right here, you could pull it out, twist it a little bit, and push it back in. This bolt's supposed to be full of lube, basically, and you're supposed to be easy to pull it out and push it back in. Now, if yours is hard to pull out or push in, use this 17mm and just try to. I thought it was a 17mm to hold it, but I guess not. Yeah, it's like a smaller, I don't know, maybe a 16. Yeah, it seems smaller. And try to twist it in. It's supposed to be lube in here. It's supposed to be full of lubricant. It's supposed to always be lubricated. Yeah, this is supposed to be always lubricated, guys. I had recently done it like not too long ago. That's why mine is that easy. And bringing this down again, see how easy that was. So easy it is. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the 14mm that I took off, and if I find it, I better find it. But here it is, 14mm that I took off. Push it back in there and just hand tighten it. When you finish hand tighten it, you use the 14 and tighten it up better. Just like so. Piece of cake, very easy, no big deal. And where's the ratchets? 14mm. Twist it back to lock. Just give it a good snug. Alright, there we go. Give it a good snug. Boom. It's tight. No need to over tighten it. It's good right there, and there you have it. That's how you basically install brake pads in the rear of a 2008 Toyota Avalon. Is the same procedure you do for the 2005 all the way to the 12. I don't know about the new ones. I never did no brake job on the newer Avalons. But this was way easier than the front. Or the thing about it, I think, is because I'm holding the camera at the same time. I would have knocked this out real fast, like maybe about 5 minutes tops, 5 minutes or less. But that's because I'm trying to do the demonstration for you guys. And basically, when I said, when you finish putting back on the tire and putting back on the lug nuts and everything, go inside the car. Don't forget. Go inside the car and step on the brake. Pump the brakes a few times. I say 10 to 15 times until it gets hard. If you don't do that, you're not gonna have no brakes. So trust me on this one. Don't forget this important message. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And then you basically gonna do the same thing on the other side. You feel me? You're basically gonna do the same thing on the other side. It's a 14, it's the same tool you use. If the 17 is too big, get a smaller one. You gotta get like a 16 to hold that middle bolt so it don't spin when you try to open it. When you're trying to break that 14mm loose, because sometimes it will twist. It will spin with it basically when you try to open it. So just wanted to give you guys the heads up on the information. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please subscribe. It's free. You don't need to pay no money or nothing. It's basically free to subscribe. What else? It's totally free. The subscribe is basically when I upload a new video, you're just gonna get a notification. That's all you're gonna get. But this is the driver side, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's quick and easy how to change your brake pads on a 2008 Toyota Avalon Limited. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless.